Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm Samrath.
And I'm Samri.
And we'll be teaching you how to do fun and easy to make crafts. So for today's video, we'll be making a pop-up dodecahedron.
Yay!
So let's get started. So first of all, you'll be needing
A ruler, a piece of paper, and a pencil.
and a pair of scissors. Remember, if you're young, don't use scissors by yourself. Ask a trusted adult, guardian, or an older sibling to help you. So use the pencil and ruler to make a line on the paper and cut. So when you have your strip of paper, you need to do a half knot like this so that it looks like a pentagon. You look like you're having fun there. So when you do that, after, you need to snip off the edges so that it's just a pentagon. Next, trace out the pentagon on a piece of cardboard and trace another pentagon connecting to each one of the 5 sides. So you should have a total of 6 pentagons. Next, use an X-Acto knife to cut it out.
Oh, that's not safe for me. I can't do that. Here, you do it.
All right. Next, you're gonna take this flower looking thing and you're gonna trace another one.
Can I do it?
Of course.
All right.
Now you can add your own personal touch to them. You can color them and make any sorts of designs you want. And I think the person to do it best out of me and my sister is gonna be my sister.
Yes, this is my favorite part.
Well, Samreen, nice job coloring. It looks really nice.
Thank you.
So now that you're done, pick a color.
I want pink.
All right, so the pink elastic. So what we're gonna do with the elastic is you have to go put these 2 together and don't put them exactly overlapping, but sort of so like this, so that you can't see through. And then you put the elastic going over and under. Oops. Let's go. Over and on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Over and under. Over and under. Over and under. Over and under. And over and under. All right. And it should pop into this shape. You see? Now it looks like a dodecahedron. Would you look at that? This looks pretty cool. Now would you like to do the honors? All right, so put it down and press from the top. Look, and then let go. It pops back up. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh, look. Wow. Again. Yay. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed, remember to hit that like and subscribe for more content. And enjoy the rest of your day.